In the last month or so, several news outlets have reported that a previously lost asteroid, given the rather catchy name of 2007 FT3, could hit Earth next year, supposedly citing warnings from NASA itself. Except, it's not as worrying as they would have you believe. A NASA spokesperson told the news outlets, "There are no known asteroid impact threats to Earth at any time in the next century. NASA and its partners diligently watch the skies to find, track, and categorize asteroids and near-Earth objects, including those that may come close to Earth." An important note here is planetary scientists define asteroid approaches that come within 30 million miles of Earth's orbit as close approaches. The larger an asteroid is, the easier it is for our planetary defense experts to find, meaning that their orbits around the Sun are usually very well known and understood for years or even decades. There's also the fact that the latest near-Earth asteroids report from NASA, from November, reveals 13 asteroids came closer to us than the Moon in the last 30 days, and that number has risen to 110 in the last year. And no alarms were sounded. What's more, articles warning an apocalyptic event could occur as a result of 2007 FT3 slamming into Earth were published back in 2019, claiming it could hit our planet in October of that year, and, well, that didn't happen. The 341-meter diameter asteroid is real. It was first spotted back in March 2007 and has 89 potential impacts listed on NASA's Sentry table, ranging from 3 October next year to 4 October 2019. Except, every single one of these has a Torino scale rating of 0. To put this into layman's terms, that's something that NASA deems as presenting no hazard whatsoever, where the likelihood of a collision is 0, or is so low as to be effectively 0. While the same risk summary also says an impact would equate to 2,700 megatons, for comparison, the nuclear bomb dropped on Hiroshima was 15 kilotons, or the equivalent of 15,000 tons of TNT, the probability of it hitting us in October next year is so small they have to use a scientific notation to illustrate how small it is. It's 8.7 E8, or written out in full. Rather helpfully, a man named Robert Walker has translated the likelihood into a more digestible probability on his website, saying, "It's like rolling 9 or 10 dice and getting a 6 for them all. So it's really nothing to worry about." We argue it's more likely we'll see these doom-mongering articles doing the rounds again as we approach 3 October 2025, which is the next date. It could hit us after the same date next year.